Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and see where the last shape is in our pattern? What did we draw for our last shape? If we find that shape, it will tell us what yesterday was. And once we know what yesterday was, then we can figure out what today is. What is your guess? Did you guess? Did you guess blue rhombus or did you say blue diamond? Blue diamond or blue rhombus, they both mean the same thing. That is a shape that has more than one name. So we're going to call it rhombus just so we can practice. But we need to figure out what the next shape in the pattern is going to be. What do you think the next shape is going to be? Let's see if you're right. Let's start at the beginning and we'll say our pattern and see if we got it correct. Red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart. Did you guess red heart? Good for you. We'll put a red heart in here. You start here and go up into an arch and come down to a point, then go back up and around and back down together. You can draw this in the air, you can draw it on your calendar, or maybe you have a piece of paper to practice on. Whatever you're doing is great. Some people have really good memories and they don't need to put it on the calendar. They can just think what it is. And that's great too. So now we've figured out what today is. Yesterday was Thursday, February 4th, 2021. And today is Friday. Do you remember how many days are in the week? Let's see if you're correct. Let's count together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. I love it when you sing the songs with me and you practice. We'll get better and better every time we practice. So it's Friday. Let's put Friday into our sentence. Are you ready? Our sentence begins with today is. And today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. So we're going to say today is, and then we're going to put in the day of the week. The name is Friday. So we're going to put a capital F because it's the name of the day. So capital F R I D A Y, and then we're going to put a comma here. And next we're going to put in the month. Do you remember what month it is? We've talked about it for the last couple of days. Do you remember? It's up here. It starts with the letter F, like fun, furry. February. 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 Do you remember how many months are in the year? We have more than just February. You want to count with me? Let's see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's say the names. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So our month is February and we're going to put it in our sentence here. Today is Friday, and so I'm going to put a capital F because the name of the month is February. So capital F February. And next we're going to put in the number. What do you think the number would be for today? Yesterday was a 4. We said the 4th. So what comes after 4, do you think? Let's go back to the beginning and count all of our days and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Count with me. Even if you don't know how for all your numbers, we can practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you guess 5? Good guessing. So we're going to put a line down and then a loop, and then we're going to cross. Just put a little line across from the 5 there. Let's count backwards. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Good job. So let's put 5 in our sentence after February, and then a comma, and that comma tells us to pause before we say the next word in our sentence. And the next thing we're going to put in is our year, 2021, 2021. So I'm going to put 2021 and then a period, and that period tells us that our sentence is done. We don't need to say anything else past there. I have to take a little stop. So will you say the whole sentence with me? Today is Friday, February 5th, 2021. Good job. Thank you so much for trying that with me. Did you look outside to check what the weather was before we started today? It's important to check to see what the weather is because then we know how to dress. Where I live right now, it's winter, so we always have to wear something warm, usually pants. If we wear a dress, we have to wear tights, something that's warm. But in the summertime, sometimes you wear pants, sometimes you wear shorts, all kinds of things. So let's see. Partly cloudy, partly sunny. Is that what it's like where you live? Not where I live today. What about rainy? Is it raining where you live? I live where it's very cold right now and it just snows. It's too cold for rain to come down, so snow comes down. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you live? I don't have any clouds today, so no clouds where I live. What about sunny? It's very sunny where I am today, so I think I'm going to pick sunny. The other one is snowy. Is it snowing where you are? There's no snow for me today, just nice sunny weather. So we're going to put our sunny day into the weather chart. And do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger to the sky and strike down. Let's see if you can do that with me while I put it into our sunny row here. Are you ready? Start at the top and strike down. So we had one tally mark and now we just added another one. 1 plus 1 equals, did you guess? Let's see. 1, 2. Did you guess 2? That's a great answer. All the guesses are great. So let's go to our agenda. Do you have an agenda book? I wrote my name on mine with an apostrophe S so that everybody knows this is my book. Celine's. When you put an apostrophe S at the end of your name, that lets everybody know it's your book. It belongs to somebody. So I'm going to look back on our days. And yesterday I was going through my books and donating the ones I'm not using. And the day before I needed to build a snowman. And I didn't get around to building my snowman, but I did do it yesterday. So I'm going to check that off. And then I donated books yesterday as well. We took them down to the hospital so that some children at the hospital could have some books to look at while they're staying there. It's going to be quite boring at the hospital when you're sick and you can't do very much and you have to stay in your bed. So books are a great thing to do. So we're going to put today's date. We're going to start with Friday, so capital F, R, I, D, A, Y, comma, February, so capital F again, F, E, B, R, U, A, R, Y, and then a 5 because it's the 5th today. Remember when we put a number into the calendar, we add something to the end. So instead of 5, we say 5th. And then a comma and the year, 2021. Oh, I almost ran out of room. That was tight. So I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I practice every day, I'll get really good at them. So today was sunny, so I'm going to draw a sun. And today I'm going to have a visit. Do you ever have visits? Do you have somebody come over to your house, or do you go over to somebody else's house? So I'm going to draw just a little stick figure of me with my friend. And I have straight hair. My friend has short curly hair. And we are going to have a little visit, and we will also go for a walk because it's nice and sunny outside. So I'm going to print my name at the bottom, capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And you want to practice printing your name every day so you get really good at it. Just make sure you put a capital at the beginning because it is your name. Names always have a capital. And if you don't know how to spell the day or the month yet, or if you don't know how to make all your letters, just practice one letter every day and you'll get really good at it. Today we're going to practice the E. Would you like to try with me? You can try on your paper or you can try it in the air with your hand. So you take your finger or your pencil and start at the top and come all the way down. Then go all the way across the top and all the way across the bottom, and then go halfway up and just do a little line. Let's try that again. Start at the top and go down, go across, and then do the middle. And this is an uppercase E or a big E. This is a lowercase e or a little e. And so halfway between this imaginary line and this line, we're going to make a line across. And then we're going to make an arch, a semicircle, and then come straight, come around, not straight, in a curve, and do just a little bit of a curve line, but leave this part open. Ready? Let's do one more line across, go up and around, and there's your lowercase e. You practice every day, you'll get really good at it, and eventually you will be making all kinds of words, and maybe you'll be able to write letters and cards. So let's do our emotions today. Yesterday I was feeling kind of nervous because I had a lot to do, but I got all of it done. So I don't think that I'm feeling nervous again today. So let's take that off. Do you think I'm angry? Do you think I'm angry? Are you feeling angry today? Maybe something didn't work out right. Maybe you stubbed your toe. Maybe you can't find your favorite sweater or your favorite book. What about sad? Are you sad today? Maybe you're missing your friend. Maybe you can't find your favorite blanket, your favorite toy. What about happy? Are you happy today? Peaceful? Just relaxed? Or are you excited? I think I'm excited today because my friend is coming and we are going to go for a walk on our visit. So I'm going to put my excited face here. And today I am going to do, for my being kind activity, is I'm going to give my friend a compliment. So a compliment is a nice word about somebody. So when you think about somebody, you can think about what they mean to you or what they've done for you or how they act. So a compliment would be like, you are very nice. Or maybe you are very smart. Maybe somebody has a really good memory or has learned all of their adding or all of their words and letters. Or you can say you are very kind. You are very sweet if they're really nice. Something that describes that person that you really like about them. That's what giving a compliment is. Maybe you can tell your grown-up, this is a really good supper. You're a really good cook. Those are kind of some nice things that you can say. I hope you can find something kind to do today. I hope you have a wonderfully fun day, and we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.